Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most easy and flavorful lettuce wraps. These lettuce wraps are healthy and super simple to make. It's ground chicken cooked in the most flavorful sauce wrapped in lettuce. I no longer need to go to PF Chang's. I can make these delicious lettuce wraps right at home. So let's get started. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 3 minced garlic cloves. Mix everything until it's well combined. Heat oil in a pan and saute 1.5 pounds of ground chicken. Cook until cooked through. This will take about 4 minutes. The first time I ever had lettuce wraps was a long time ago at PF Chang's, and I thought they were so delicious. Back then, when I tried to recreate the recipe at home, I tried chopping up chicken breast by hand, which was kind of a lot of work. I found that ground chicken works best with this recipe, but you can also substitute with ground beef or ground turkey. Drain excess liquid and add the sauce we made earlier. Continue to cook while stirring until most of the liquid has evaporated. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. These lettuce wraps are definitely a crowd pleaser. They're one of my favorites to make when I'm hosting. Even my kids love them. Be sure to watch until the end to see how they like to eat them. After most of the liquid has evaporated, stir in 1 8-ounce can of sliced water chestnuts. So I totally forgot to chop them up before adding them in, but that's okay, we'll fix them up with some kitchen shears. I always tell myself, progress, not perfection, right? That's what I always tell my kids. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just get it done and we learn along the way. Add about a handful or 2 of sliced green onions and continue to cook for about another minute. Here I'm going in with my kitchen shears to cut up the water chestnuts. These are so handy, I literally have like 3 pairs of them. I use them a lot for cutting up my kids' food and even my dog's food. Just giving everything a final stir and it's ready to serve. The sauce is completely optional, but I like to serve it over my lettuce wraps. Mix together 2 tablespoons of water with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and chili sauce to taste. I'll leave the one I used in the link below. As you can tell, I put a good amount because I love the spice. To serve, place a couple spoonfuls over some romaine lettuce leaves. If you feel like the leaves are a little too long, go ahead and trim the ends. Oops, looks like little guy was looking for a snack and decided to join us. You can garnish it with a little more of sliced green onions. So for my kids, they like to have it in a bowl with some steamed rice, scoot some of that meat mixture over the top and add some chopped lettuce. See, I'm telling you these kitchen shears are handy. You can also add rice over the lettuce wraps, but I find it easier for the kids to eat it this way. Kind of like a rice bowl, but with a nice crunch of fresh lettuce. I'm telling you guys, when you guys try this, it's gonna be your new favorite. It's so easy and flavorful. Who needs PF Chang's when you can make these right at home? You guys, don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.